A chronically slow toilet that keeps needing parts and still fails to clear the bowl is a clear sign you should consider replacement rather than endless repairs. Start by diagnosing the cause carefully. Check for hairline cracks in the porcelain at the tank or bowl. Inspect the trapway for mineral buildup by shining a light and feeling for rough deposits, and confirm water supply and flush valve performance by observing refill and flush cycles. Measure the bowl clearance and test using a bucket of water to simulate a heavy flush. If 2 or 3 flushes are needed, you have a weak flush problem. Consider the age and model because older gravity-feed toilets often have narrow trapways and smaller flush jets that cannot be upgraded effectively. If you see persistent mineral scaling inside the rim or jet holes that resists descaling with vinegar and a wire or needle, that limits restore options. Also check for recurring flapper or fill valve failures, which can indicate poor water quality or tank geometry that stresses parts. When you decide to replace, choose a toilet with a fully glazed trapway, larger flush valve opening, and a taller 1.6 gallon or greater flush that matches your household needs and local water restrictions. Measure rough in, and ensure the flange is sound before purchasing to avoid extra plumbing labor. 3 common mistakes homeowners make are assuming every weak flush can be fixed with a single part swap, ignoring hidden mineral buildup until multiple repairs fail, and selecting a replacement without verifying rough-in or bowl height, which causes fit and comfort issues. Instead, verify the root cause before buying, descale and inspect the trapway early, and measure rough-in and clearance before choosing a new model. People often confuse intermittent fill issues with flush geometry problems, so test a full manual flush to separate tank hardware from bowl performance. If the manual flush is weak, repairs to the tank will not fix it. Another frequent error is underestimating installation complexity when the flange is corroded or warped, so inspect the flange and be prepared to replace or shim it to avoid leaks and uneven seating. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners locate trusted local contractors, and we also help contractors find work by connecting them with motivated clients. We host a discussion community on the site where homeowners and tradespeople exchange tips, ask installation questions, and share real experience about toilets and other projects.